So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to create a TikTok shop account from any country that you're in. It doesn't matter if TikTok shop is not available in your country. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do and how you need to do it to get your own TikTok shop account and start making all this money from the comfort of your home. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, let's look at the requirements that you need to open your own TikTok shop account. Here you can see that to register a TikTok shop, you need to be a neutral person or a registered business residing in a supported country. It could be US, it could be UK, it could be any country that TikTok shop is supported. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. Meet the age requirement, that is 18 plus, you have to be 18 plus. Provide a valid email address or phone number and offer valid government issued ID for individuals or business certificates for businesses. You cannot be a politician or subject to any enforcement action. Then general requirement for sellers, if you want a seller account, valid contact, strong password, and all of that. I know you'll be wondering how many countries or which countries is TikTok shop available in, and that is United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, Singapore, and Mexico. So these countries have TikTok shop available. So if you're living outside any of these countries, if you want to create a TikTok shop account, you can register your business in any of the country that TikTok shop is available in. That is, if you choose US, you have to register a company in the US, and then with that registered company, you're going to use the address of that registered company and the phone number tied to that registered company to sign up with the TikTok shop. And how do you get phone numbers? You can get virtual phone numbers, you can receive phone calls, and you can receive text messages to the virtual phone number that you're going to be adding to your account. So this is the hard way, and I don't want to bore you with that because I could actually show you where you can, websites that you can go and, register your businesses and, do all that, but it's quite very expensive. Which brings me to the second way you can create your own TikTok shop account. Now, this second method works like magic. How does it work? It's very simple. All you have to do is to find the sellers, that is the brand that you want to market their product, and liaise with them. Tell them that you want to market their product, you want to open a TikTok shop and start marketing their product on your TikTok page. And they should reduce the commission that they are going to give you. That is the commission that you're going to declare on TikTok to 1% or even anything less than 1%. You can get 0.50 or 0.10. In this situation, even if you get 1%, even if they say, okay, you can't do less than 1%. Now you're going to put 1% there, right? You're going to put 1% on your TikTok shop, and then they are going to now help you register your TikTok shop. That is, they're going to help you verify it and do all those things with their information. But the thing there is that the money that will go over to the TikTok shop, that's the commission, won't be paid to you. That is, you can't withdraw it because it's not your details that is there. Because at the end of the day, just the 1% that is going there. Then the remaining 19% or the remaining 29%, as the case may be, that is if you're getting 20% commission. Let's say you're getting $20 commission or you're getting $30 commission per sale. Now, if they're supposed to pay you $20 as commission, instead of paying you the $20, they're going to pay $1 to your TikTok shop, and then the $19 will be paid manually. So at the end of the month, you're going to send them an invoice, and then they will do the calculation and send you every other thing manually. Now, for some brands that I've worked with, they're going to send you everything. They are going to send you everything. They really don't mind because it's just that 1%. They don't mind. But for some, there are really some that, want to dot every I and cross every T. So if they say is 20%, it's 20%. They're not going to give you 21% just because they helped you set up the TikTok shop. So now, how do you find that? I've done a tutorial on this before. If you have not seen that video, click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, and I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can go and watch it, because I don't want to start showing you how you can find the brands, how you can find the products, because I've done a tutorial, I've done a detailed tutorial on that before. So I wouldn't want to make this video very long. I want to make it very short so you can get all the information that you need. And then if you need me to break down and show you practicals for any of them that I'm going to be mentioning, you can also let me know in the comment section, and then I can do a breakdown, a tutorial like I always do, to show you how to do it one after the other. And that brings me to number 3, and that is no other than Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a 100% safe platform where you can buy services, products, and stuff. And on Fiverr, there are freelancers like you and I that are selling services to people like you and I that need the services. And as part of the things that they sell the TikTok shop account creation. So all you have to do is to come over to your Fiverr account. Just go over to fiverr.com, come over here and search for TikTok shop account. All right, TikTok shop account, and you're going to see this guy. I'll set up a TikTok shop account and we'll get your deactivated TikTok account back. So if you have a deactivated TikTok account, this guy is going to literally get it back for you. If you want a new one, he's going to set it up just for $60, right? Now this one is for $10. I will set up USA TikTok shop, fixed TikTok shop USA TikTok account for non-US residents. So these people are going to do everything. They're going to provide everything. And this is also, if you're going to be using this method, I would also want you to also use the other strategy that I mentioned, the number 2 strategy, that is talking with the brands. So you're still going to use the 1%. This is so you can be 100% sure, because if these people are the people that are going to create the TikTok shop for you, their details is what is going to be on the TikTok shop. And if it's their details that is there, then you're going to have a lot of limitations, and you don't want to risk the money that you're going to be making. In case these people want to act funny, you know that your money is safe and safe to you. Please pay attention to this. And if you're getting value so far, please go ahead and leave this video a like, because it's an encouragement for me to make more videos for you. And also it pushes the video to the algorithm so it can show it to more people that need information like this one in the video. So go ahead and smash the like button. So now you can see there are so many sellers here. This one is for $20. This seller is going to create a UK or US TikTok shop account. So let's go ahead and check out his details, okay? And here you can see that he has already done 7 jobs. He has already created 7 accounts. So that means he's working. People are creating their TikTok shop with him. And here you can see 5 active TikTok shop product listings, Spotify integration, standard. I will create a UK US TikTok shop on your details. That is using your details. This is incredible. And he's charging $80 for this. So for $80, he's going to create a UK US TikTok shop account, and you're going to use that to start making money from the comfort of your home. Now, how cool is this? And then for premium, you can see I'll provide UK US TikTok shop on my details. So he's going to use his details for $150. If you're going to be getting this account from these platforms, please, please, please make sure that you get a VPN. It can be a free VPN, it can be a paid VPN. Make sure you get a VPN and use that VPN to log into the TikTok shop. Make sure you don't mix it up. Anytime you want to log into the TikTok shop to post a content, make sure you use your VPN and put your VPN to the country that you used in creating the TikTok shop. So let's say the TikTok shop you opened is a UK TikTok shop. So anytime you want to open the TikTok shop, make sure that you switch your VPN to UK before you can then open your TikTok shop and do whatever you want to do there. If you mistakenly, by any means, do not use VPN and you open your TikTok shop account and you're not in UK, kiss your account goodbye. It's going to be deactivated, and then you have to pay some of these guys again to reactivate it. And that brings us to number 4 of how to create your own TikTok shop and start making money from the comfort of your home. And that is asking your friend or family members, living in the approved countries to create the TikTok shop for you in their name, in their details. And I mean, some of them are very busy, right? So they're not going to be running a TikTok shop. Even if they're running a TikTok shop, you are required to own multiple TikTok shops. The same way you can own multiple TikTok accounts and all of that. So you can own multiple TikTok shops. So you can ask them to create a TikTok shop for you. And once they create that, they transfer the login details to you, and then you log in using a VPN. Whichever way you want to do this, you must use a VPN as long as you're not living in that country, right? So you can ask your friends and family to create a TikTok shop for you, and then you can use it to start making money. It's that easy, right? And that brings me to number 5, drum rolls. Now, this one is more or less like getting prepared, getting very prepared, and I call it setting up your account for monetization or for verification. And that is simply creating your content ahead of time. That is creating your content, posting content related to things that you want to sell, things that you want to promote, things that you want to put out there. So you keep uploading related content, right? While waiting for the expansion to get to your country. Because you know, when Instagram started with ads and all of that, you know, it wasn't for all the countries, and before you know it, all of us can run ads and all of that. The same thing with YouTube, the same thing with, so right now, even Facebook, when Facebook started monetization, it wasn't in all countries. Some countries didn't have Facebook monetization for years, for a couple of years, couple of months, and right now, most of us have those features, right? So this is still going to happen with the TikTok shop. So instead of giving up hope, let's say you can't get your hands on number 1, you can get your hands on number 2, you can get your hands on number 3, you can get your hands on number 4, but you really want to do this TikTok shop thing and you want to make this money from the comfort of your home, all you have to do is to start posting related content on your page, on your TikTok page, so that when this starts, you can easily link it to your TikTok shop and start making money immediately. At that point, you've already built traction. So you have to start building traction, because even if you create a TikTok shop now and start uploading now, you still have to spend weeks or even months, or for some people, yes, depending if you actually know what you're doing. If you follow the trainings, the tutorials and everything that I teach on this channel, that is why you have to subscribe to this channel, so that you don't miss all the tips and tricks that it will get you fast traction for your TikTok shop, for your YouTube channels, for your Facebook, for your anything that you want to do to make money online from the comfort of your home. So you need to start building traction, right? So whether or not, even if you create your TikTok shop now, you won't start making money immediately. It's not possible. You can't start making money immediately. It's going to take a while before you can start making money from your TikTok shop. So if it's going to take a while, let's say you open your TikTok shop and it's going to take you 6 months before you can start making reasonable amount of money from your TikTok shop, then it's still the same thing if you have to start creating content and start creating traction now, and then in 6 months time, TikTok shop comes to your country, you sign in, link your account, and start making money instantly. Now, how cool is that? Now, if you're looking to make money online from the comfort of your home, there's so many ways, so many ways, so many incredible ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. And I have incredible content on this channel that is going to help you throughout your journey to make real money. I don't share things that doesn't make sense on this channel, that doesn't work. I share things that I've tried, things that I use, things that make me money, things that I've seen others make money, things that you're going to make money. Whether you watch my content or not, if you put your mind to it, you're still going to make money. If you watch other people's content, you're still going to make money. Those are the things that I teach on this channel. Things that are sustainable, things that are going to make you money consistently for a very long time, not things that will just work today and will not work tomorrow. You don't want to be on that roller coaster. You want a steady source of income, because if you're going to be making money from home, you don't want to wake up one morning and then your source of income is no longer working, right? So why are you now at home making money from home, right? You should have gotten a job, but that is why I'm here to share legit ways that you can make money from the comfort of your home. And this is the next video that YouTube is recommending that you watch on this channel. So if you haven't seen it, so go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.